Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our Python programming language series, today we are going to start introduction to loops. We are going to start loop statement. It's an introduction video for loops. Okay, and if you are the person who are coming for the first time, please watch our before videos also. And if you like, please give a like, share, subscribe. Okay, before without any delay, we will start the video. Now, tell me guys, today we have one problem. Okay, where we need to print hello world 5 times. Okay, you don't know think that people who are already watching with the who know loops, please think that you don't know loops. Okay, then think how you will print 5 times hello world. For example, on the screen i want I want hello world. I want hello world like this, hello world 5 times. Okay, hello world like this I want 5 times. Then what do people do? Just think what you people do. You think that you don't know loops. With the experience, still no, we have data types, we cover data types, printf statement, sorry, print statement, input statement, output statement, and if condition, else if, everything we have done. Next, with this knowledge, how you will do? Just simply you will write, see, whatever the user will not give anything on the screen, you should get hello world 5 times. This is the question, how you people will do. Just you people will write print hello world like this. Okay, hello world like this, what you will do? Just 2 3 4 5. Okay, oh sorry, it is not coming. So just we'll copy this and see, you people will write the code like this. Am I right? So you people will write 5 times hello world, then in the output screen I will get the hello world for 5 times. Am I right? This one will get. Now think that I ask to write, instead of hello world, I ask to write hello world. Now, what you people will do? You will simply go to the code and add here one more zero, one more zero, one more zero, one more zero, one more zero. Like this, you will do. Think in a software, in a big companies, you will have a lines of code, and I need to write this statement 10,000 times. Okay, scenario will not be, but think that I need to write hello world 10,000 times. 10,000 times. Then what you people will do? Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Control C you will do one time, Control V you will be like hitting like this 10,000 times. Am I right? With this knowledge, okay? With this. Next, next. If you observe, here you are doing same work for number of times. The number may be n times. It may be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, like that. And I told you to print numbers. Okay, print numbers. 10 numbers means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You will print like this. If i want if i want multiples of 2, you will print 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20. If you observe here, logic is same na? There is some logic. What is the logic? Every time every time you are increasing plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, like this. If you consider this one, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, like this. There is one logic. But in this case there is no logic. Just the same thing repeating 5 times. You may see in the, for example, if you open excel, you will get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this numbers left side. Yes, number, na, serial number, like this. How they will get? Did they written like this, print 1, print 2, print 3, print 4? No, right? There must be some logic. So wherever you have repetitive work, means, see here, repetitive work means same thing is repeating multiple times. Same thing repeating multiple times. Same thing repeating multiple times. For example, if you observe clock, what it will do? Short hand, big hand. It will going like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this only, right? What is that? Loop. same thing going like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, known as loop. Similarly here also, see, same difference, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Similarly here, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Same constant logic here, from line 1 to line 2, line 1 to line 2, constant logic, same logic change. Okay, here see, nothing logic change. Here logic plus 1, here logic plus 1, here logic plus 2, like that. If there is some difference, same logic, if they are maintaining same logic like this, if you observe clock, daily within 1 hour it will travel one number, 1 hour 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 one number it will travel. So same logic. If the logic is same, repetitive work. See, I am writing repetitive, repetitive work with same logic. Same logic is known as loops. So this is the introduction for loops, where you have same logic doing n number of times, 5 times, 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. Same work doing number of times, same printing number of times. So in these cases, we will use loops. Okay, we will use loops. Basically, in Python, we have two types of loops. One is for loop and one is while loop. This for this, for each of this. Okay, first I will explain the syntax for loop. Next I will explain the first I will explain the syntax for loop. First I will explain syntax for loop. Next I will explain with 10 videos. Okay, 10 videos, 10 examples, 10 videos, 10 examples. So 10 different problems I will cover. Okay, now next, while. Both are looping only, loop statements only. Okay, both are loop statements only. Next I will use while. While also while also first I will explain. Next, same 10 examples, same 10 examples I will write for while also. Okay, I will write for while also. Now you will get more clarity what is the difference between for and while, why we should use. You will get the clarity and you will understand. So my videos will be in the niche. After this video it will be like, first video explanation of for, next 2 to 11, 2 to 11 example videos, examples. Next 12th video will be while. Okay, 13 to 13 to 22, 10 videos will be examples. Blindly you can follow. This is my formula what I am using. First I will explain the concept, as less as possible. I will explain less theory, more problems, so that you will get to know how to use that and how to write with that codes. So easily you can do. For example, I told already told the washing machine example in this. If you want, you can go back and you can see that washing machine example. What is that means? Even though you know how to handle the washing machine, no need of manual. Okay, just the English statements are known as manual. How to use while, what is for loop, what is the something something. It's just a statements. If you know how to use, you can tell that easily. Okay, that is my strategy. First I will let you people understand how to write and how to write the program. By that you can tell what is for loop, what it does and why it is used. You people can understand easily. Okay, okay guys, meet you in the next video.